Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop. Today, I'm going to be making a K-bar knife out of D2 tool steel. This is my first time experimenting with D2 tool steel. I'm not going to be forging it. I've tried forging it before, and D2 tool steel only has about a 200-degree working temperature. I'm not going to be forging it, just going to be cutting it out. I designed all of this, or at least the knife blade, in Mastercam software, all my own design, and let's get into it. Alright, so I've gone through, center punched all of the holes. These are all to be drilled 1/8 as well as the one over here. Alright, so I have done a total of 2 normalizing cycles with it, just in some gravel here that I had. Now that I have this normalized, I'm going to go ahead, heat it up, and then I'm going to bring it over as fast as I can, grab it between the vice jaws, and hit it with the compressed air as quickly as I can. Let's go throw this in the forge, and air compressor's ready, so let's get to it. It's ready. Keep it straight. So last thing you guys saw was me heat treating my blade. It's been a few days. I was able to get a cool mist system installed on my belt grinder, so to keep my blades cool after I heat treat them, since this is now a hardened blade. I'm gonna go through, use a 220 grit belt, clean it up, and then I'm gonna be bringing it up through the grits and bring you along for it. So let's get back to it. I now have here some hardwood handles. I'm going to drill, get this all set to it, and then come back and make a replicate of this one. I'm going to end up carving down the handle as normal, sanding it down. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, I've drilled through both of these right here, and I'll be able to just push this right into it. So, we're going to take this over to the bandsaw, and we're going to start cutting out the actual profile of it. and took the time while I've been working on this. I've actually been getting into some leather work as well, and decided to make this leather sheath, all custom designed by myself. This has a belt loop. A lot of this is water molded or wet molded to it. Has a little snap up here to prevent the knife from coming out, as well as has the two-way belt loop so it can actually go sideways on your hip or up and down. I'm going to be using this dollar store 2-part 5-minute epoxy. It's used to bond wood, metal, glass, plastic, ceramic, concrete. Alright, so I have now prepared all of these for gluing up. I have my two... Like I said, I brought this up to a 600 grit. I did end up coming back and touching it up with the 1000 grit lightly, and then just impregnated it with some beeswax. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down in the comment section down below as to future video ideas and or what you thought. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. This was a fun build for me. It took me a few weeks. This was made out of D2 tool steel. I've had a lot of fun experimenting with it, making it. It was a whole lot of fun. I did this all by hand as well, by grinding. So in that, have a great day, guys. We'll see you in the next one.